happy for the win. We have developed a lot from the first round to the final, so I'm very happy for the team. We have taken a big step, and it's nice the Swedish team come down and win international games. So important for the mentality and for the group to take next step.
Skončili sme na peknom druhom mieste. Samozrejme, ušlo nám prvé miesto o jeden zápas. V podstate prvé, druhé aj tretie kolo sme mali prehru len so Švédkami doteraz. V tomto kole sa nám vyskytla prehra s Miškolcom, čo nás teda stálo zlato. Nevadí, možno ďalší rok skúsime zabojovať o lepšie umiestnenie, ale opakujem, sme spokojní aj s druhým miestom.
It was an amazing experience for all of us. We won as a team. Everyone played good. It was too bad that we lost, but we got first place.